The best athletes in the world have a coach. The most successful CEOs in the world have a mentor. Read any book about someone who succeeds at a very high level, and chances are good they had a mentor to guide, advise, direct, and coach them. Why? Because training and feedback from an expert in the field has been proven to get better results and more success faster than trying to figure things out on your own. You need a mentor, someone who has been where you are and has gone where you're about to go. Hi, I'm Wayne Morgan, co-owner of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. What does that mean? It means a license means you have passed an exam and are aware of the rules and regulations that govern your field, similar to a medical license. Now you need an internship where you have a mentor to show you the ropes. Only you don't have one, until now. The Real Estate Business School is a business school for realtors, just like you. We train you in the business of real estate similar to the way an internship trains doctors before turning them loose on live patients. We don't want doctors who just got licensed practicing on people, even though they call it a practice, and you don't want to be practicing on your prospects. Once you obtain your license, you will need to do two things. One, you need to know what to do. Two, how do you do it? How do you get started? What needs to be done and in what order? You've been preparing for the state exam, you passed that, and your license has arrived. Now, what do you do to prepare for the business? Here's the good news. As a Real Estate Business School customer, we provide this mentoring training free. 33 hours of our live mentoring program has been added to your TREC-approved Get Started package. The Get Started package contains the 6 TREC-required pre-licensing courses, the state exam prep course, and 33 hours of mentoring. The Real Estate Business School is the only school in Texas that provides this training at no additional cost. It's taught by experts with hundreds of closings behind them and will get you up and running quickly and to the closing table faster. Real estate is a business. If you don't treat it like a business and run it like a business, you will soon be out of business. The Real Estate Business School, where you get a license and learn to use it. Now go mind your own business.